Hey there, e-commerce entrepreneurs. Feeling like your website's a little flat? Like it needs a shot of adrenaline? Are you tired of seeing visitors bounce without a purchase? Well, get ready to spin things around. I'm going to show you how to convert those casual browsers into paying customers with the power of gamification. Hey, my name is Mike, and welcome to Sleekr Digital. We're talking about the spin wheel for WooCommerce plugin. Imagine offering your visitors a chance to win a discount or free shipping. Right when they're thinking about leaving, this isn't just some gimmick. It's a proven strategy to boost engagement, grow your email list, and skyrocket sales. Let's face it, who doesn't love a chance to win something? In this course, we'll cover everything you need to become a spin wheel wizard. We'll dive into overview of spin wheel, easy setup and configuration, design and customization to match your brand, display settings and triggers for maximum impact, coupon management and automatic email notifications, and finally, powerful statistics to track your success. By the end of this course, you'll be building a bigger list, driving more sales, and making your website so sticky, your customers will never want to leave. So, are you ready to give your WooCommerce store a serious upgrade? Let's get started and spin till you win.